हेलो एवरीवन, स्वागत है आपका करंट अफेयर्स बाय आरएचपी पर। यहाँ हम कवर करते हैं डेली इम्पोर्टेंट करंट अफेयर्स जो आने वाले सभी कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम के लिए इम्पोर्टेंट है। चलिए शुरू करते हैं आज के इम्पोर्टेंट करंट अफेयर्स। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, विच एयरपोर्ट वॉज रैंक एज द वर्ल्ड्स बेस्ट एयरपोर्ट एट द स्काईट्रैक्स वर्ल्ड एयरपोर्ट अवार्ड्स 2026? सो according to Skytrax World Airport Report, which airport is the best airport in the world? So it is Changi Airport, Singapore. Changi Airport, Singapore become the world's best airport 2026 for the 14th time, and it also won awards for the best airport dining, immigration service, and best airport in Asia. Incheon International Airport, South Korea ranked second and on world's most family friendly airport. तो world's most family friendly airport is Incheon International Airport, South Korea. And from Japan, Tokyo Haneda Airport ranked third. Tokyo Haneda Airport ranked third and was named world's cleanest airport. So world's cleanest airport is Tokyo Haneda Airport, Japan. And Indira Gandhi International Airport ranked 28 and on best airport in India and South Asia. So Changi Airport is the best airport in the world. Next है, who was elected as the new Prime Minister of Mongolia? New PM of Mongolia is elected as Uchral Nyam Osor. Uchral Nyam Osor elected as a Prime Minister of Mongolia. अगला क्वेश्चन है, who assumed charge as the 49th Vice Chief of Army Staff of Indian Army? So Vice Chief of Army Staff बने हैं धीरज सेठ. धीरज सेठ assume charge as the 49th Vice Chief of Army of Staff of Indian Army from 1st April 2026, and he replaced Pushpendra Pal Singh, who became General Officer of Commanding in Chief, Western Command. And Vice Chief of Army Staff is the second highest ranking officer in Indian Army. Vice Chief of Army Staff is the second highest ranking officer in Indian Army. नेक्स्ट है, हु ऑथर्ड द बुक टाइड्स ऑफ टाइम? बुक का नाम है टाइड्स ऑफ टाइम एंड इट इज ऑथर्ड बाय सुधा मूर्ति. सुधा मूर्ति ऑथर द बुक टाइड्स ऑफ टाइम, भारत हिस्ट्री थ्रू मुरल्स पार्लियामेंट, एंड द बुक वॉज रिलीज बाय वाइस प्रेसिडेंट CP राधाकृष्णन ऑन 1st April 2026. अगला क्वेश्चन है, When is World Autism Awareness Day observed? तो डे है वर्ल्ड ऑटिज्म अवेयरनेस डे एंड इट इज ऑब्जर्व ऑन 2nd April. It is started by United Nations General Assembly in 2008, and for this day theme is Autism and Humanity, Every Life Has Value. थीम है Autism and Humanity, Every Life Has Value. The event is led by Institute of Neurodiversity, Switzerland in collaboration with United Nations Department of Global Communications. So World Autism Awareness Day is observed on 2nd April. Next time, who was elected as the President of Myanmar? So President of Myanmar, Min Aung Hlaing. Min Aung Hlaing elected as President of which country? Myanmar. Next है, which police force was awarded President's Police Color in 2026? तो यहाँ पे बात हो रही है President's Police Color. Which state awarded? Odisha Police. So Odisha Police awarded President Police Color in 2026, and the President's Police Color is the highest honor for police organization in India, and it is awarded by the President of India on the recommendation of Ministry of Home Affairs. Ministry of Home Affairs. So President Police Color, Odisha Police. Next है, who has been appointed as the brand ambassador of Yamaha Music in India in 2026? सो यमाहा म्यूजिक इंडिया के ब्रांड एम्बेसडर बने हैं ए आर रहमान। ए आर रहमान was appointed as brand ambassador of Yamaha Music India in 2026. Next है, which country will host International Monetary Fund and World Bank annual meeting in October 2026? So IMF and World Bank की एनुअल मीटिंग होने वाली है इन अक्टूबर 2026 एंड विच कंट्री विल होस्ट? Thailand will host IMF and World Bank annual meeting in October 2026. अगला क्वेश्चन है, Where is the mission Mitra being conducted under India's गगनयान मिशन? सो यहाँ पे बात हो रही है मिशन मित्र। करेक्ट आंसर है लद्दाख, इंडिया। और मिशन मित्र फुल फॉर्म है मैपिंग ऑफ इंटरऑपरेबल ट्रेड्स एंड रिलायबिलिटी असेसमेंट। सो इसरो लॉन्च मिशन मित्र अंडर द गगनयान मिशन इन लद्दाख। नेक्स्ट है, एज पर द इंटरनेशनल रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी एजेंसी, what rank did India achieve in the global renewable energy market in 2025? So third largest. As per the International Renewable Energy Agency, India became the third largest renewable energy market in 2025. India added around 45 gigawatt renewable capacity in 2025, mainly driven by solar and wind energy, and India's total renewable energy capacity reached 250.5 gigawatt in 2025 from 175.9 in 2023, and solar energy was the largest contributor, 37 gigawatt added, making India second globally in solar expansion after China. Next है, who has been appointed as the brand ambassador for Census 2027 in India? सो जो 2027 का जो सेंसस है वो डिजिटल है और इस सेंसस के लिए ब्रांड एम्बेसडर है सुदर्शन पटनायक। सैंड आर्टिस्ट सुदर्शन पटनायक was appointed as the brand ambassador for Census 2027, and Census 2027 will be India's first digital census announced by Ministry of Home Affairs, and it will introduce self-enumeration and smartphone-based data collection for the first time in India. And Census 2027 will be conducted in two phases: house listing 2026 and population enumeration in 2027. Next है, when is the Foundation Day of Reserve Bank of India? RBI का फाउंडेशन डे कब है? 1 अप्रैल। Reserve Bank of India was established in 1935 and its foundation day is observed on 1 April. RBI was set up under the Reserve Bank of India Act 1934 based on the Hilton-Young Commission 1926, and Reserve Bank of India was nationalized in 1949 and is fully owned by the Government of India. Reserve Bank of India regulates monetary policy, inflation, currency issuance and banking system in India. Next है, which organization launched the Artemis second mission in 2026? Artemis second mission 2026. It is launched by NASA. National Aeronautics and Space Administration USA launched the Artemis second mission in April 2026. Next है, which shipyard launched INS Sachi and delivered Indian Coast Guard ship Achal in March 2026? So it is Goa Shipyard Limited. Goa Shipyard Limited launched INS Sachi and delivered Indian Coast Guard ship Achal in March 2026. तो ये थे आज के इम्पोर्टेंट करंट अफेयर्स। अगर ये सेशन यूज़फुल लगा हो तो सब्सक्राइब चैनल करंट अफेयर्स बाय RHP। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में।